Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. Now let me open a new Microsoft Excel file. Go here in new tab and open a blank database, right? If you want to open from existing file, you can go to this open tab and you can open from your existing files, right? Let me create a new blank database. See here I have option. This is the location of the file where it will save. If you want to change the location of this file, click here and you can save anywhere in your system, right? Now just leave this location and create the database. So when you open a new Microsoft Excel file, you will see this kind of interface, right? This interface looks like the Microsoft Excel interface. You can see like Microsoft Excel. Here in Microsoft Excel we have the rows and columns, but in Microsoft Excel we use the word fields for the column and the record for the rows, right? You will see here we will add the different fields in columns like this and the different records in rows like this. These are the different views of the sheet. Right now this is data sheet view. If you click on design view, click here and see it will ask you to save the table. Now save the table with any name. See, this is design view, right? Here we will insert the fields, the different fields which we want to include in our table, right? The first one is ID and the data type for the ID is auto number, right? We will insert the different fields and we will select the data type for the fields, right? Now let me insert some fields. See, first name, last name. You can see here the fields are added and also you can see the data type for the fields, but we can change this data type, right? See, this is the drop down button. We can change the data type, right? Like let me add the phone number or address. So for address I can select the long text as data type. Then for city, then phone number. See here I will select this number or large number. Right click on any row if you want to insert or delete the row. See, I inserted a new row. Here I will add the date of birth and the data type is date time. Salary. Data type is currency. If you ever used Microsoft Excel, then I am sure that you are familiar with these different kind of data types, right? So we will use the correct data type. Like for salary we will use the currency. We cannot use the data type text for the salary. Or for date of birth we will use the date and time. Here we cannot use the currency or text as data type, right? Then for email, select the data type as hyperlink. For photo, select the data type attachment. So in this way we can insert the different fields, right? Click on any field and you will see the different field properties. Here we can set the different field properties, right? Like click on format and see we can predefine the format for this phone number. We can define the format as general number or any other number format. Then the decimal places. See, we can select the any decimal places, but definitely we will not select any decimal place for the phone number. We can use this default value option. We can set the alignment of the text, right? So these are the different field properties we will see when we click on any of these fields, right? So we can predefine these field properties, right? Now this is design view. Let me show you this table in datasheet view. How these fields will insert. You will note that these fields will be inserted in columns, right? Go to datasheet view. Save the table first. See, these are the different fields we created for this table, and these are inserted in different columns, right? Now let me enter some record here. See, this number is auto generated, right? Because we selected the auto number data format for this ID field, right? See, when I enter a new record, this number is auto updating, right? Again you can see this number is auto updating. So in this way we can insert the different record for these fields. In this video we learned how we can create the table in Microsoft Excel. So we will continue this in next video. See you in next video. Thank you very much.